Why is sometimes my period blood brown? Is anything wrong with me? What are the normal colors of period blood? Hello everyone, welcome back to She the People TV. This is Chitra Singh from Chitra's Girly Talk on Instagram. I am a 4th year medical student and today we are going to talk about things that you must know about the color of your period blood. So let's just see what can be the different colors of period blood and what can they mean. So first let's talk about the brown color of period blood. Okay, so imagine your periods arrive, you go to washroom to check and you find that your period blood is brown in color. And you just start thinking period blood must be red, my blood is brown, blood should be red. What the heck? So most of the time getting brown period blood is absolutely normal. Brown color of period blood can simply mean that your period blood is old. To make you understand why your period blood is brown, let me give you an example. So consider you got a stain on your panty and after getting the stain you just went and checked it. So what will be the color of the blood? It will be red, right? But imagine if you didn't check at that time and you check after an hour or 15 or 30 minutes, then what will be the color of the blood? Yes, it will be brown. This happens because the blood on your panty has reacted with this oxygen and it has become brown in color. Similarly, if the blood in your uterus is old, that means it has stayed a little longer in your uterus or it has taken a little more time to come out, then it can react with the oxygen and can become brown. Also, you know, your vagina has an acidic environment, so all these factors can make your period blood appear brown or dark brown. Most of the time we will see this brown discharge in the starting or end of your period and it is completely fine. Now let's talk about our second color, that is red. Well, if your period blood is red, you are getting your periods every month and you are not finding anything suspicious, then girl, you are going good. Bright to dark red of period blood simply means that your period blood is fresh and it has not stayed much longer in your uterus. Also, you know, some people can get bright red period blood throughout their periods and in the end they can have a little brown color of period blood, and some people can bleed bright red period blood throughout their periods, and both are completely normal. Now let's talk about the third color, that is pink. Should you be bleeding pink color of period blood? I know pink can be your favorite color, but you should not be bleeding pink for your whole period. But you know, a little pink color of period blood in starting of your periods can be normal, and that is because sometimes your period blood can get mixed with the vaginal discharge and it can appear to be pink. But having pink color of period blood for your whole period is not okay. Pink color of period blood can be a sign of some health issues, like you can have low estrogen in your body, or it can be a sign of anemia, or it can be a sign of less nutrition in your diet. Also, you know what, your health, your lifestyle, your dietary choices or hormonal changes can affect your periods, and that's why it's very important to keep an eye on your overall health. It's your period blood, and blood should not be something fancy colors like pink, blue, purple, green, etc, etc. And if you notice anything unusual or suspicious about your periods, like if there is any itching in your vulva or around your vagina, or there is any foul odor or bad smell from your vaginal discharge, you are missing your periods from 2 to 3 months, or having fever, or anything that you find unusual, then you must go and see a doctor. I mean, why waiting? Just go and see a doctor. They are always there to help you. I hope this video was useful to you. See you in the next video. Bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.